Keblei Pibaro Shakatup Kobor Jangi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. In pensngau usong knor ke State Planning Board uba lambor malyang ya menteri rangba Konrad K Sangma bat yu menteri ki kam po yeng ke Sarkar India. Penyeng signboard maham kinong rep penthoni ye kiriu shim kabu. Bat hau benai nopra laban penteri kam ya ke Interstate Bus Terminus hamau yok. Bat mentangin pa syiki kobor bakam benya. Usong kenor ke State Planning Board uba lambor malyang menta kesengi ulai thu ba unsa pensngau ya menteri rangba u Konrad K Sangma berkumju ru ya menteri kam po yeng jong ke Sarkar India halor ke jing bombyang ke rukom bha kam sipai habo ke Assam Rifles. Hakbayakren hakinong tho kot kubor uba malyang uloong bah kani ke jingwa jingtip jong ula shem ba ke jing bah kam sipai ye kiriulum hapo ke Assam Rifle kalong tang nyau teli na ke benta ke Meghalaya. Udkot ke yeng dorbar uloong ru ba ke te kalong tang khndiat kat ba ke Nagaland ke yo shispa santeli ke Manipur ke yo nyau pusau teli ke Mizoram ke yo nyau pusan teli bat kiwei nyau teli. Uba lambon malyang uloong baka Meghalaya ka di banyo shu ya ka bha jongka namar baka headquarter jongka Assam Rifles ru ka dona Shillong. Uni unong mikmat uloong ba un sebut din ya kani dah ka ba un let ya kendu markmat ya menteri kampo yeng jongka Sarkar India.
Barokaway ngiyo tang nyotli ki seat. Lala pipet bat nujor ya kiwi pat ki jala ki plan hapo ka North Eastern region kum ka Manipur nanta ka Mizoram nanta ka Nagaland. Kalai phel shabnang shkando hangni kapau shai ba kadon ka jing bambyang ka balance ka ba ki wanra ya kani ka recruitment man penrung ya kam sipai ya ka bang yu ishai ba ka Nagaland kayo hadu shispa sangut ki seat ki balaj ke Manipur nyop sautuli ki seat ki bakiladep reserve lupa nam taktuk state ke Mizoram kapoy nyop santali ki seat ki ba la reserve lupa nam taki tribals te ndai hapo ke jala ka jungi ke basusi kalong ba la reserve tang nyotli ki seat naka khat aspa tam nyau kamut nang long tang di percentage nang long tang point something te ka jinglong jingman philayu I hagini ki snam ki ba menta ka jing hiran kam ka ba ki hon samla ki bala nang la start ki ba labit nadong sedong bakin bakimyu alat ban apply yaki kam umdan lenti bakin yokam te henrei kum kinong elam kadai kabanta bangihap ban wat nangno kalat ngin play nakamanta jung ki khon samla ki blan hapo kani ka jala ka jungi te henrei kaba sausi andang ngalawat ya ki rukom pentrikam hapo kaliang jong ki jakatrikam jong sipai lalap ya kani kaba menta ka recruitment ka pathamai kalong kabangi sya deprive kalong bangi sya khnyat mangi kum kijet benre kudan hapo ka jala Meghalaya te dei namar kata nakaliang ka jonga ngan sa tho karki sya u menteri rangba do jong ka jala Konrad K Sangma ban pensngau ban penrem halo jong kani karukam le shiliang jong ka Assam Rifles na benta ki khna ki jungi bat om tangata ngan sim ya kani ka lat wat ban yakendu ya u Union Defence Minister jong ka Sarkar India ban pensngau sha u ya kini karukam long rukoman ki bala khanglat na benta ki khna samla jungi ki nang la start ba kidei hok banyo lat lang namar ba sisin bagadon ka headquarter hangni kila dei suya ban consider khambon ngimong ban compete bat kiwai hinrei lakumnu la dei bandon lakumnu mo shispa vacancy bakin reserve namta ki khana ki jungi ki badon hapo kana jala tena kaliang ka jonga ngan sa shim mardor yakani ngan sa ra syaka mi jong menteri rangba bat kumju show menteri katnat popej ya ka defense jong sarkar India.
Kakenhon kinong rep betip kum kamentru pentornen Farmer and Welfare Producer Organization hene kesngi kalahir penyeng ya ki signboard jing maham ha pentornen kum shibenta banyada ya ki jaka rep kum ju ya kawa mentru kabadai kanong pendap penbiang ya ki jingdan kam jengki kum kinong rep. Hakatay ka signboard kila khang persya ban bret nyut pentut kendau ban tong do ban satjan ban kwai hakiwa do ki hali nadu jingking mentru hadu mentru lingkoi blai la khang ru ban sat do haki hali kinala kumju hakawa mentru nalor ban ber dawai batla dadon balik persya kasengkan dan kuna kumbasan hajar hadu arpusan hajar kasing kalakularu ban ay marshiteng nakakunaya kiba ay jingtip harungkat kisaki. Labu ikitigi jing maham day baling ba kajing yo alat kibriyo ban ne ya kitigi kam baladon kajing sya akta ukha ukba kajing sya penjulor ki penthor hali. Ujur Bhapawa Vice President Kamintru Penthor Nen Farmer and Welfare Producer Organization ulong bakajing bret nyut jing pentut kendau syakinala bat benta kawa mentru kawan ra jing e bha yekinong rep namar bha kapor bahe karong lut ya baro kijabo jaban chapo hali kum unong rep ulong lemda don kani kawa ngimla ban bot ikidinti kilong shwa bala ai pateng hangi nakata kadaw ngi shimkia namar bala kala pendap penbiang yengi ukhau ukba Shushu ulong kumba kementru kadeiru kanong besar bam di ya kejawai ngidon kam bandan ke jinggit kli jong baro lang banyada ban penne pensa ya ka. Hakani kesingi la don lang ru upenchangan rembai President ka MPF and WPO pentingan kendat General Secretary Umehi Pawa Assistant General Secretary Ukro El Pariat Advisor lembat kilong kemi long pa. Hadin baladap penyeng signboard la don ru kangu kadem ni kaduai pirat bala shim benta da baro ki bedon lang hakani ke jaka.
Horning Farmer Welfare Organization ida bo gini signboard ne benta wa penjulor ke rep iriangi da tho che ini wam hoi li kwegi ile wa tho wam hoi li kwe da yo chemi jing e for wastem ko ba khoi daman gua pensi dur ya i da sempat bege wala wan gi ta tho ro mum hoi we kila chemi ginu go we do ga wa am trule da bo i kan don ain da yu lu kilang ni san bot wa da ju i po le da tho i kiliang ga no chep ginu go no chep ga liar yong ga hap ga wa am tru ile wa du bu kidai kan don wa yu puna no chep i kiliar ga wa ko ga wa am tru da yu chemi jing e da ra ga bistik di bilor waro chali da panjot bilor puna dap ki chep ki jur ga doi ga khap ngayu bon sen ha mai kum e da penjulor go igistier gi kari da jet da pia da pra gali hatori ni te daw te da bakhi ni ge seng na thola thuti kamalingu sungut kamara ya em chrup uma da manu ada baisar yong i liju ipor ma ke albarit ete himi ge te ga dur wa i gi nong rep man gi bru go yetli heju ipor to hidu kan gi te wa penjulor go gali lengkha yong i kam tam ye ges em tdu bat ye ges em terci go da man ges em daman gi wa gu kontang ku de jole ni mi sen sistem wat nin ge skile da de ni mi gu kontang ge em gu am tu
Hadin bau Union Home Minister ke India Amit Shah ula depli ya ka jaka penyeng bas ki bawan negi jela beper jong ka North East haka arpu sautrik benai naitung arjar arpwe ngiyui kat hadu menta 4 penteri kam ya ka ni ke jaka penyeng bas haka baye kren shikilat pathai khubor haka arpu artrik mentau benai nailur arjar arpwe menteri badai pej ya ketana transport udah sakiat lamare ulai thu bahau benai nok pra la ben penteri kam ya ka interstate bus terminus ka bedon hamaulai mauyong markat haduk menta ke jingtere kaladep haduk kumba kendai pupra persen AA.
See, first thing, ISBT has already been handed over by the contractor. It's with the department right now. But there are still some paperwork which is needed to be completed with the implementing agency, that is PWD roads. Okay. So after that, there will be tenders which will be floated in regards of the canteen, in regards of the stalls, in regards of the accommodation facility there. So after all that, I think it'll take another month or two max. We are expecting by the month of December, most probably we'll be able to operate it. Yeah. So we'll be holding meetings with that, and then we'll be following it up. I know a lot of time has gone by, but then I know because of some constraints and deniable circumstances, we are not able to do it on time. But yeah, I can assure you, maybe most probably by December we will able to start it, operate it. Yeah. See, there's no such system that has been put up for that. As per now, the government will run everything. Okay, tender floating, even running these stalls and all. I mean, it will be run by private organizations, private firms, or individually by the locals of uh, of the East Khasi Hills. But till date, we don't have any, like we don't have any decision that will be run, especially when it comes to flying of buses and all. Yeah, so it will be run by the government itself. This is what is the plan for now. But what we are going to do tomorrow or the after that, I think I will tell you then when something happens, if at all something happens. Yeah. 98%, I think 98%. There's still very minor work that is left. Like there are some electrification, which is a very small, very minor work has been done, and it's a kitchen. I think the kitchen of these two canteens, two or three, two canteens, if I'm not mistaken. The kitchen of these two canteens is left to be completed yet, which will that is another 2 weeks. I think in 2 weeks time it'll be done. Yeah, it'll be done. Yes. I will, but not soon. I think because I've just joined. No, I've just joined. It's just been 2 days, so I have a lot to review first. Because transport department is a very vast department, a very hectic department, I must say. So I will have to review it first, or it will take me, I think, 3 to 4 days, maybe a week's time to review all the work that is looked after by transport department, and after that maybe we'll start going for inspections. Not only ISBT, but other operational things of transport department. Yeah.
Bat dak itu ki khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tak dah duk mengindah syambiang khoble shibon.